Hi guys, it's Sherry Taylor with ATL Clinical Workshop. Today I want to talk to you a little bit and give you a couple of tips about hand washing. Now, one of the things you want to remember is you're not scrubbing in like for a surgery, so it's not that extensive of a hand washing ordeal when you go into the patient's room. However, there are a couple of little nuances that you could fail on if you don't do correctly. So you're going to be washing your hands at the sink. You're going to do it for at least 15 seconds. So if you just simply sing happy birthday to me, just sing it all the way through, you should be good with the timing. When you're finished washing your hands though, don't you dare touch that faucet with those wet hands. Don't do it. Grab you some paper towels and dry your hands off. And then even then, don't you dare touch that faucet. Get you some clean paper towels and then touch the faucet. You know, faucets carry a lot of germs and the moisture there. What's the point in washing your hands if you're going to touch dirty faucets? So always make sure, wash your hands 15 seconds, dry your hands before you turn the water off, and then grab new paper towels and make sure that you turn the water off with dry, clean paper towels, not the same ones that you dried your hands with. And that's your hand washing tip for the day. For more information, visit our website, www.atlclinicalworkshop.com.